Hot Springs Village Inside Out is a closer look at the largest gated community in North America, spanning 26,000 acres in the Ouachita Mountains in south central Arkansas. Join me, Randy Cantrell, and some occasional guests as we explore Hot Springs Village Inside Out. Today's show is brought to you by Central Arkansas's favorite radio station, KVRE. Find them on the dial at 92.9 FM. Stream them live, kvre.com. HSV Inside Out is sponsored by Ike Eisenhauer State Farm. Ike and his award-winning team have been serving the insurance needs of folks all around Hot Springs Village since 1998. Ike has qualified for State Farm's President's Club, Chairman's Circle, and Hot Springs Village Insurance Agent of the Year. Call Ike Eisenhauer State Farm today at 501-984-4100. That's 501-984-4100. Find them online at ikeeisenhower.net. Call them today for all your insurance needs because, like a good neighbor, Ike Eisenhauer State Farm is there. Also brought to you by Trademark HSV Real Estate. Located in the heart of Hot Springs Village, they are the fastest growing real estate office with over 30 agents and staff. Broker-owner Lori and Ken Henderson, along with the realtor and waterfront specialist Rick Marshall, are eager to share the special features of Hot Springs Village with you. For a complimentary relocation packet, call Ken and Lori at 501-276-3018. Call Rick Marshall at 501-601-RICK. They are Trademark HSV Real Estate.
My name's Ike Eisenhauer. Welcome to the Ike Eisenhauer Insurance Agency. All right, so let me show you around my office here and introduce you to my team. All right, so here we are in the front. In the front, we have our wonderful receptionist, Elise Barrio. Elise comes to us from Louisiana. So we have, just like a lot of villagers come from all over the place, we have a lot of people in here from all over the place too. Some local and some from other places. And so Elise is here. She's actually about to graduate college, but right now she's working at our front desk.
That's awesome. Well, a lot of Louisianans.
Mm-hmm.
I lived in Louisiana for a long time.
And my wife is from Louisiana.
I know. Shreveport and Baton Rouge. I went to LSU.
I'm from Lake Charles.
There you go.
Yeah, she's from actually a little town called Kinder, which is close to where my wife grew up. I met my wife while I was at Fort Polk, Louisiana, and because I'm originally from Massachusetts, but I went to Fort Polk, met her. They told us don't let the Cajun women cook your gumbo, and I found out why, because I ended up falling in love, and 35 years later we're still together. So anyway, it's been a long ride, and I ended up living in Louisiana for 12 years before I moved up here to Arkansas 27 years ago this month.
Long time.
Long time.
I miss the food.
Absolutely. All right. Well, let's come around. I'll introduce you to some more people. Looks like Harper is available.
Hey, Harper.
So this is Harper Otto. So Harper is one of our local ones. She actually at one point was in school at the same time as my daughter, or one of my daughters. So anyway, Harper's been with us for about 3 years now, and she's our claim specialist. She helps with claim problems.
Well, nice to meet you, Harper.
You as well.
And you're from here? Around here?
Around here, yes.
Okay. Okay. Well, good.
Yep. So she's been here for quite some time.
So
she's also bounced around a little bit.
She's the person.
That's right. She, she stays on him like a pit bull and just, hey, making sure that everything's going properly. And so now we have somebody. Here's Kaylee.
Hey, Kaylee.
So Kaylee comes originally from New York, and she's from upstate New York in Binghamton. And so she's also lived in Missouri and Texas and here in Arkansas now. So she's bounced around a little bit.
And what do you do? Whatever you need to do?
Yeah, basically, service. I help with whatever people really need. And
Yeah, she's on the customer care team. So anyway, she's one of our newer ones, but she's off to an outstanding start.
Good. Well, nice to meet you, Kaylee.
Nice to meet you.
All right. And now we have our one of our Californians here. This is
People from all over.
Yeah, she's her name's Allie. Her name's really Alicia, but we have another Alicia, so in the office we call her Allie.
Yeah.
But she comes to us from around Lake Tahoe, California, and she's been with us for about 3 years, and she's on the customer care team too.
Nice to meet you, Allie.
Nice to meet you too.
And then across the way, we have Alicia. So Alicia's been with me for 16. Well, what? Actually, this week it's 16 years, right? Yeah, 16 years now with me. She's from Hot Springs area. Went to Lake Hamilton High School in Hot Springs, but she's lived up here in the Jessieville area, just north of Hot Springs Village for decades now. So she's a local. And
So 16 years. He must not be a bad boss then.
The best.
and Alicia's my customer care team manager. So she's
She's in charge of the whole thing.
she's in charge of all the people you just met, and she is the problem solver. You know, so
Yeah.
if there's something that they don't know how to do, it comes to Alicia, and she figures things out. So she's just outstanding in every way.
Good. Well, nice to meet you, Alicia.
All right, now we're getting to our sales team, and now you're going to meet the most senior person on the sales team. This is Joy
Hello.
Pickering.
Hi, Joanne.
Hi, nice to meet you.
So Joy started with
Oh,
me.
Joy. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I called you Joanne.
So Joy started with me back when I was a young agent, and I was only not even 2 years in, or just barely 2 years in. So I've been here 27 years this year, and she's about to go over her 25th anniversary with me. So
That's awesome.
So in May. So anyway, we have.
Sales the whole time?
No, not necessarily.
The roles kinda
Sales,
changed.
Service, the roles changed.
Yeah.
A little bit of everything.
Yeah, so she's the office manager. She's also a problem solver. So anything that goes on, I mean, she does a lot of things like that. She's also registered to sell securities products with me, and so I've got another one of those too. And so, but she handles a lot of high-end stuff, and it solves a lot of big problems for me. And she manages the team, and there's a million things that she does in here, and you just can't pin it down.
Joy of all trades.
Yes,
Yes.
absolutely. But yeah, she's been outstanding, of course. You know, been 25 years here.
That's awesome. So 16 years and 25 years.
Yeah.
That's nice. That kind of continuity is nice.
Yeah, and Cindy's not in yet this morning. She'll be in soon, but she's been with me 17 years. She's in the office right next to
Yeah.
us. She's also on the sales team.
That's awesome. Well, nice to meet you, Joy.
Nice to meet you.
And let's go this way. Office kind of goes around in a circle. And I'd like to show off my conference room too. So here's the
This is
conference room that
beautiful.
we meet in every morning. And it's kind of like a little State Farm museum. We got a lot of really cool things in here. Had a lot of gifts from customers. Like, for instance, this road atlas over here is from 1939. Guy gave this to me for my 25th anniversary in agency. And anyway, that's a really cool thing. It doesn't
is
even
awesome.
doesn't even have any interstate highways on there because it predates the interstate highway system.
Isn't that amazing?
50th anniversary plate, and I've also got a 75th and 100th anniversary plate for State Farm, and a whole bunch of really cool things
Yeah,
that we've
this is
collected over
beautiful.
the years.
Now, you moved into this office when?
We built this office back in 2014, so 10 years ago. Used to be in the office across the way, which is now a hair salon.
Yeah, it's a beautiful conference room.
Yeah. So we meet here every morning. We do training. We do we go over our numbers and our just about anything we need to do. We meet
Yeah, it's
there.
perfect. It's perfect.
Okay. You on the phone?
Not on the phone.
See
All right.
if we can interrupt somebody here.
Okay. This is Tyler Welch.
Hi, Tyler.
So Tyler helps me keep the male-female balance a little bit.
Yeah.
We're trying.
Add some
bit more in check.
testosterone to the place. Yeah.
So Tyler's been with me about 3 years, and Tyler is my number one salesperson. He put more numbers on the board than anybody else, much to the dismay of Emily, who you're about to meet. She just gave me a dirty look. But
That's why you'll have glass between, so y'all can roll your eyes at each other and stuff.
no, it's kind of funny. They have
Comes from that side.
they have a friendly rivalry going on. They fight like brothers and sisters, you know. So anyway,
Yeah. Well, you need competition. It's good.
yeah, but they're like neck and neck. They both produce a whole lot between the two of them.
Well, good to meet you, Tyler. Now, Tyler,
Yeah.
where are you from?
Hope, Arkansas.
Okay.
That's home originally.
Okay. So another Arkansas boy.
Yeah, he was a coach working in several school systems, and we
Okay.
snagged him away from that and got him onto the insurance side. So Tyler is in the early stages of training to get his own State Farm agency. So, which is where a lot of the new State Farm agents are coming from. They're coming from agents' offices.
Sure.
So anyway, I've got 2 of those. You're about to meet the second one. And
That's awesome to
Yeah.
have that kind of a mentorship kind of a program.
yeah.
Very, very helpful.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right now he's just kind of dipping his toe in the water. We've got Emily over here. We got to get her out of the way to
It's a lot to learn.
give him more
Figure that out.
responsibility. There's quite a bit to it. It's a good process, but
Yeah, that's excellent.
yeah.
That's excellent. Well, nice to meet you, Tyler.
Absolutely appreciate it.
And finally, last and certainly not least, is Emily Trigg.
Hey, Emily.
How are you?
I'm good.
So Emily came the longest to be here. So Emily came here from Ukraine.
Yes.
So she moved here in an international adoption when she was 13 years old. So she moved here.
We won't ask how old you are now.
Yeah, it's. I mean, she's only been speaking English since she got here. So, but she's in that time she's gotten all the way up to get an MBA. So
Congratulations.
yeah,
That's awesome.
she
That's outstanding.
she just got an MBA at Ouachita Baptist, which is where she got her undergrad degree too.
That's excellent.
So anyway, she's in the agency training program. So she's looking at maybe getting an agency some point next year, we're thinking. Anyway, so
That's exciting.
I've been here a long time, about 5 years now, so it's about time for me to go out. So.
yeah.
Now, how does that work? Since we're talking to her about this and the location, do you take what's available, or
She gets to post. Well, you can talk about it.
So there's a lot of availability whenever an agent
Hold that.
retires. Okay. There's a lot of availability when an agent retires and a new one comes around, and they interview about 5 to 10 people and pick one to run the agency. The competition is pretty tough because they're choosing an agent that will be there for the next 20, 30, 40, 50 years. So it's a lot of work that goes into it, but it pays off. One day, hope to be like Ike.
the learning that you get from here? I would assume that the competition, obviously, the better the agency that you're at to learn,
Yes, of
gives you a
course.
leg up.
Of course, it does. And Ike has a great legacy, just being an agent for a very long time, and he has achieved a lot. So it does give me a leg up, but I also have to do my own work, and that is why I got my MBA, and I'm also doing my series exam so I can sell financial services to customers and help with retirement. That's my main focus right now.
That's exciting.
Yeah, she's
Well,
already licensed.
congratulations,
Yeah,
Emily.
she's already licensed that way. There's one more exam she needs to do to sell securities that we have coming up really soon. So
That's outstanding. Well, nice to meet you, Emily.
yeah, but
You as
between
well.
between Joy, Emily, and me, we handle all the financial services things around here.
Yes.
Anyway,
Outstanding.
yeah, and we've, I don't know, there's a lot of things to be proud of. I mean, I've made President's Club top 50 agents in the company, which is really good. We've been around long enough to qualify for all sorts of great honors, everything from Hot Springs Village Business of the Year to Reader's Choice Awards every year from the Hot Springs Village Voice. Just about every award State Farm has offered. Made Chairman Circle, top agents in the company, Honor Club, Crystal Honor Club, which is the highest level of Honor Club. A lot of really cool things we've done over the years. We're very proud of it.
Yeah, you should be. It's awesome. Outstanding.
Yeah.
All right. So we've seen the tour.
Yes.
I think we saw everything except the break room. So this will give you an idea, folks, that when you come to Hot Springs Village, you're not going to be meeting with some solopreneur who's in a strip center. This is a really nice building. You said how long, Ike? You've been here in this building?
I've been in this building for 10 years.
You know, so this is the level of sophistication. I told Ike before we hit record, as all you guys know, I split my time between Dallas-Fort Worth and Hot Springs Village. And this operation could be uprooted and planted anywhere in a city like Dallas-Fort Worth and absolutely compete and kill it. So when you come to Hot Springs Village for your insurance needs and for your financial services, we encourage you to come and visit Ike Eisenhauer State Farm, directly across the street from Sonic, here in Hot Springs Village, Arkansas.
Thanks for watching Hot Springs Village Inside Out. You'll find all our episodes at hotspringsvillageinsideout.com or on YouTube.